First, my ring compressor here doesn't seem like that great, but I gotta squeeze that like that. Eventually it'll get bigger. Okay, I'm gonna oil up this cylinder. I already have some oil in it, but I'm just making sure that it's lubed up really good. And take off my bearing cap. I have these guys all numbered so that I know which cylinder they go into, because these are going on the same exact position the same way as they were on that crankshaft. First I need to check the position of my rings. Alright, second one down is open on this side relative to my arrow. Top one is open on that side. The bottom one is open here. And I can't see where the other one's open over here, so that's okay. They all look good. Alright, now I'm going to try to put this thing over my rings. There we go, so I can twist it a little bit. Goes right on there. I need to leave some of my piston sticking down here so that I can get it in. Take the tool that comes with my ring compressor and try to snug that up. Make sure I'm facing the right way. Okay, arrow's pointed forward. The writing on there's back. Slip it into the cylinder. There we go. I need to tighten this up just a little bit more. That's as tight as it goes. Okay, now my piston should slip right down into the hole. What I do is take the wooden end of my mallet here and just tap it. And I'm not tapping very hard, but there it goes. And it went in. And there's this thing. I don't want to push it too far there. Okay. Now I'm going to flip my engine over, straighten it out a little bit. Don't forget to put some oil in there too. Keep all that oil look good. I'll pull this piston up, there we go. And then put my cap back on. Make sure it's lined up the right way. There's writing on one side, so you can see there's a little G and half a 2, and the top of the 2 is on here. That's how I know I have it the right way. Just like all these arrows point towards the front. And I'll just snug these down. I'll come back and torque them later. Alright, now I'll rotate it. And then I'll put in number 2 and number 3. Now I'm going to torque these connecting rod bolts to 26 foot-pounds. Feels kind of tight. Let me turn that down to 25. There we go. Alright, now see if I can rotate it over to do the other two. There we go. Okay, the pistons are all in and torqued.